Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you today? And how's it going? So, let's see what the potential of the market for trade today. But before that, we have to check the fundamentals for this week. First, we have to note that we have option expiration by the end of this week, and we also have a lot of earning for the big caps. So that means the stock in US will be a little bit volatile. I mean, I can say it more volatile than usual. And other things that we have to check is the economic calendar for this week. Why is it slow? Please, please, please. So yeah, Wednesday on Germany we have consumer confidence. That will be um, that will be the trigger to big move um, for the euro dollars. And other things with the BOC decision rate for the Canadian on tomorrow. On Thursday, we have durable goods order for the US, and Friday we have core PCE. So between those two things, the most important thing based on the what was it experience, core PCE um, it's more important. This is the indicator of the this is the main indicator for the US market, US economy right now. So yeah, so we're gonna have dollar move on Friday. Let's see on the Friday. And before that, we have to check also on the durable good if there is any impact. But I don't see any big move. I mean, like I'm not expecting any big move on the durable good order. So that's for the news. What else I want to say before? Hang on, just a moment. Yeah, for the BOC interest rate decision. So the forecast it will the Bank of Canada they want to drop the interest rate by 25 basis points. So and I don't think there is big move because of this kind of thing. But we have to check if there is a good trade on the BOC, then you have to take the opportunity for that thing. So let's have a look on the S&P first. Like I said, we have option expiration expiration by the end of the week, and we also have big cap. So what we have today? Okay, yesterday the market was very volatile on the opening of the US market, and based on that move, it stopped around not far from the high of the Friday, right? And yesterday, also on TradingView, I said that I'm expecting the ES to cooling off a little bit and have another move on European edge, and it's happened. The market pull off a little bit to this what was that around 592.50 area, this area, and then after that have up move and stop again at the high of the Friday. So we have, I mean, like the high of the Monday, which is not far from the high of the Friday. Well, we have to ask about this one. If the market is very confident with the up move, they will not wait for another day to trade above that one. But this one, we need to be careful before we decide for trade to the up move. We have to check some of the barrier of the aggressiveness of the market, and we also can see, you know, before that we have to check also all of the US market. Well, ES and the Nasdaq have, I mean, like doing the same thing. Dow Jones was even worse. Only Russell trade above Friday. So it's around, yeah, around the mid of last week. So that's the only one. Market is quite strong. I can say it's quite strong because yesterday it traded above the Friday. But other than that, like S&P and Nasdaq, it's quite quite uh, I mean like doesn't have enough strength to go to the upside. But if you look at the global market, hang on, let me check. Okay, if you look at Eurex, I mean like on the DAX and Eurostock, you can see that the DAX was very confident to trade above, and then this is I mean like it break 3-day balance on it, and then now it's trade yeah freely on the upside. The Eurostock also doing the same thing. So based on this situation, we can see that there is a potential, like the probability for going up is much higher, but we have to be careful how confident the market on the on the ES. That's one thing. So that's a note. So I'm gonna watch how it's gonna trade to the upside. Have to be careful with that one without any aggressive and any volume. That will be, if they fail to trade upside, we will see this area 570 and also the lowest one is 540 area. So that's for ES. And then the next one will be on the dollars index. The dollars index, even though now it's straight above the yesterday high, but actually the value area doesn't move to anywhere. And the up move was, I mean, like the up move not too far actually. So yeah, I'm not crazy about the forex for the moment. I just want to see how the dollars will travel from here to this one point. I mean 104 10450 104,050 area. So let's see. And the maximum one is 104,100. That's one thing. Below that, I'm like breaking these two low value areas will interact some of the liquidation, and we will see that. I mean, like if it break, we will see 103.32 or 35 area. So yeah, that's for the dollars index. Let's have a pick on the right. So yeah, I'm not interested right now for the euro. Let it drop. And the second thing, I mean, like, and the third thing is with the gold. See about this one. The market's going down, and then have reaction buying by Monday. And let's see if the dollars drop or stop moving up, then we can see, very confident for the gold to buying again up to 2431. About the drop side, I mean like about the downside, I don't have any big picture, but I need to see if the market willing to test the low of the Monday. That's what happened on the gold. And the last one, before that, we have to check also on the bond. The bond, you have to see this, after couple of days when it's broke down. I mean broke down the market testing the 1, 2, 3, 4 balance, 4-day balance, yeah, and have a reaction buying that now. So if this will have a follow through to the upside, we have to be careful on the um on the ES, especially on the US stock. So it's will, I mean like I mean that's been a lot of people buying the bond because of the safe, I mean like more safe, which is we call it off risk. And we will see if S&P have another selling down a little bit, right? So last one with the crude oil, because we mentioned about the Canadian dollars. Um, so the crude oil just falling, falling, and falling. So I'm expecting I mean like the the dollars is in the down area. So yeah. So let's see if I'm not expecting any uh, bouncing back to the upside right now, but yeah, for the cat, if they're gonna drop, so let's see for further weakening on the cat future. That's all for now, and have a good trade.